Trains that float above the tracks? Yes, that's real, thanks to Maglev technology. Maglev, short for magnetic levitation, uses powerful magnetic fields to lift and propel trains without touching the tracks. Developed in the 1930s but first launched in China in 2003, the Shanghai Maglev hit speeds of 430 kilometers per hour, covering 30 kilometers in just 7 to 8 minutes. Magnets on the tracks and under the train create lift, while a linear motor system pushes it forward. No wheels, no friction. Fast, smooth, and futuristic, Maglev trains are redefining railway travel.